Hi all, today let's do this easy but beautiful puzzle nails for which my base color is white, and I am dividing my nail into 4 sections using black nail paint and a thin nail art brush, and I will be painting alternate sections black for this black and white puzzle nail. Then I will be using a dotting tool and dot on some white and black dots to make the puzzle design complete. Now for the accent nail, which I have kept blank, I will be doing a colorful puzzle design for which for each of the block I will be using a different color, and then I'll just put the border for each of the block and then just add the dots as I did earlier to make the puzzle pieces complete, and finally border each of the puzzle pieces to make the design totally complete. So I am again using black nail paint and my thin DIY nail art brush for drawing the borders, and if you want to know more about DIY nail art brush and also ready-made nail art brush, then you can watch the videos given in my cards. So here it is, the full set of puzzle nails. It is a very easy yet chic design to try. So I hope you will want to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, comment on this video and also share this. So I will see you next Friday once again. Take care till then and have a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and also you can try a colorful puzzle nail like this. Bye bye.